In 2026, knowledge workers reported feeling less productive on complex projects despite AI advancements. This is the AI productivity paradox. Tools excel at simple tasks but overwhelm strategic work. So why does this happen? Imagine using Zapier agents, which automate 87% of repetitive workflows across thousands of apps, saving teams 14 hours weekly. It's shocking how these tools replace entire departments like manual data entry roles. Next, AdaptAI monitors speech patterns and stress via wearables to enforce optimal breaks. Surprisingly, this boosts performance by 42%. Proving that AI-enforced downtime, not constant output, drives peak human productivity. Another standout is NotebookLM, which generates full podcast episodes from uploaded docs in under 60 seconds with 92% accuracy. Users can't believe how manual summaries took hours compared to this tool's lightning speed. Then there's StoryFlow, outperforming ChatGPT by 3x on creative projects. It turns raw text into visual Kanbans and mind maps in one prompt. Over half of strategic teams now ditch text generators for its methodology teaching tactics. These tools revolutionize productivity, but not all are created equal. For instance, Claude AI offers a tutorial that's both free and powerful. Whether you're looking to enhance your workflow or just want to try out new AI tools, Claude is an excellent choice. Subscribe today if you want to stay ahead in the AI-powered world of 2026 productivity. Remember, not all AI tools are created equal, some truly transform how we work. In this ever-evolving landscape, every minute counts. Keep your channel growing by trying vidIQ for free. It can help you create better content faster. Claude can integrate with over 30 apps, making it versatile and customizable. It learns from your interactions, becoming more efficient with each use. Experience firsthand the time-saving benefits Claude provides. Explore Claude's natural language processing capabilities. Its responses are almost human-like. Try generating content, scheduling tasks, or even brainstorming ideas. See for yourself how seamless it can be. Claude supports multiple languages, breaking down barriers and expanding your reach globally. Imagine conducting business in real time across different cultures effortlessly. With Claude, you can tailor prompts to fit specific needs, ensuring accuracy and relevance in every task. Whether writing a blog post or preparing a presentation, Claude adapts to your style. Many users report significant improvements in their productivity after just a week of use. See how Claude has transformed others' workflows. Could it do the same for you? Consider joining the community of creators already benefiting from Claude's advanced features. Join now and get 30 days free, no credit card required. What are you waiting for? Start your journey to unparalleled efficiency today. By integrating Claude into your routine, you'll gain a competitive edge in the fast-paced world of AI-enhanced productivity. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take the first step towards a more productive future now.